Hello everyone, my name is Aide Leticia Garcia Hernandez. I am a social work major, of course, like everyone else. I am a recent graduate from Westchester University, and I also, while I was at Westchester during my last year, I had the opportunity of having an internship at CHOP Care Network, Children's Hospital in Philadelphia, and they have a small site in Westchester and North Hills. So I had the opportunity of being placed there. What do I get? What would I like to get out of this course? I'm open to anything, but as my future plans, I want to become a school social worker or working in a hospital. So I feel that it's very important to know trauma that people have gone through because it affects their life, it affects how they are living every day. So I feel that the more I have knowledge in regards to trauma, the more I will be able to help the people out. Name 3 ways I will take care of myself this semester. I feel that just having a personal day could be one. Another way I could help myself take care of myself could be having a small walk or going for a jog or something like that. And then others are meditation. This past semester I had advanced policy, and one of the strategies of self-care that my professor taught us during this semester before everything occurred. She would always start class by having meditation for like a minute or so. So we just like closed our eyes and we just relaxed. So I feel that's also another way that self-care can be used.